This is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So firstly, you will need to make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at the install button over here. After the app has been successfully downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup. Simply customize, you can either customize the permissions that an Opera will have the access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.